Yes, all right. So today's video is going to be about how to create a high converting appointment booking funnel inside of GHL. All right. So I'm going to walk you guys through step by step how I would go about creating it. Setting up the calendar, the availability, and actually building the site in AI Studio. All right. So let's go ahead and jump right in. We'll go ahead and jump into here. So within your high level account, obviously the first thing you need is a GoHighLevel account, right? Within that GoHighLevel account, you'll have this feature here called AI Studio. This is where you're going to build the actual site, right? So think of it as a website, but a little bit more optimized, specifically designed for conversions, right? You want to optimize this page specifically to drive appointment bookings. You don't want to have a lot of different tabs. You want to have one main call to action on that page so that when somebody goes there, the objective is only to go and book an appointment on the calendar, right? So we're going to go ahead and write into here. You're just going to describe inside of AI Studio what you're looking for. So we'll go ahead and type into here. I want to create a high converting appointment booking booking funnel for my, we'll use example roofing business, right? And again, you can use this for, whatever business you kind of do. Um, you just describe it inside of the AI here, right? So booking funnel for my roofing business, it is called ABC Roofing, located in Boston, Mass. Okay, so I went ahead and gave it a very basic prompt. Again, I would create a prompt, inside of ChatGPT, a nicely optimized one. Um, we'll go ahead and skip this. We'll make a specific calendar for this, and I'll show you guys how to take that calendar code and just embed it right onto that site. So we'll go ahead, we'll give this a few minutes. You can give your specific call to action. We'll go ahead and do this. We'll do bold and industrial. Whatever, we can skip that. Okay, guys. So this is going to probably take a few minutes. So I'm not going to have this play all the way through. I'll skip to when the site is complete. And then we'll kind of go from there and go into the next steps regarding, like I said, embedding the calendar and then having the site ready to go. Okay, guys. See you in a few. All right, guys. So that took a few minutes. So anyways, it went ahead, created the appointment booking funnel for us. So again, you can customize this, make it, specifically to what your business is, your company name, whatever copy you want. But again, AI created the entire infrastructure for the site for us. And then all we're going to do is replace, you could have this, form. It automatically creates that for you here. It's completed, and then just link this directly into the CRM to pull the leads in. Personally, what I like to do, is create an actual calendar. So we're gonna go ahead and create an example calendar. In the event, let's say you have a sales team, right? You want to round robin appointments amongst your sales team. What you'll do is create a round robin calendar. So we'll go into here, calendar settings, and we're just gonna create a new calendar, round robin, right? Test, and then you would just select your team members, right? So once you have team members inside of your high level account, you'll just add those team members to this calendar. Again, set the meeting duration. If there's specific advanced settings you want done, you can go ahead and configure those here. Otherwise, we're going to just go ahead and click save. Test 2, 3, 4. Let's see if that works. Nope. And you can just add location, save changes. Cool. So the calendar should be all set. You adjust your hours accordingly here. You just go through all these settings, adjust your calendar however you want. And then what we're going to do is just grab this embed code, right? So I'm just going to copy this code. It's already created. And now I'm going to go back to the AI Studio. I'm going to go back to this funnel. I'm going to just say, hey, embed this calendar widget code on site. All right, we'll go ahead and paste that. And again, this will take a couple minutes. So I'll cut, while waiting until that calendar gets uploaded. But we should see the calendar then at the bottom connected to this specific site. Okay, guys, so AI Studio finished making the integration of the calendar. So let's go ahead and scroll down. So you see here, we named the calendar test. It went ahead and embedded the test calendar, has the time slots I have available, and then the specific fields. Again, within your specific field, forms, you can go ahead and add more questions, right? Let's say you want to collect the address. Let's say you want to collect, budget range, project scopes, things like that. You can always add more fields to these forms. That's going to do two things. It's going to obviously get you the information you need, but also the more questions that you add to your forms, the higher intent appointments you're going to be getting, right? It's going to be higher quality because there's more steps required for somebody to get through before they can go and book, right? So every step that you add to a form kind of drives up the overall lead intent, which in turn generates a higher quality lead, right? So basically, it's pretty much all set on desktop, tablet, and mobile. As you can see, as you scroll through, again, you can customize this, right? You can change this settings. You just tell AI, hey, I want to do this, I want to add this, I want to remove this, and it'll take care of it for you, right? So once you kind of have everything set up, your calendar is connected, everything looks like it's good to go. You simply just click publish, add your custom domain, right? Your specific company domain, and the site is ready to go. The appointment booking funnel is ready to start using. Okay. The next thing is just obviously generating traffic there. You can do that with Facebook ads, Instagram ads, Google ads, LinkedIn DMs, Instagram DMs, however you kind of go about generating leads now. This is just a little bit of a more optimized way, again, to generate appointments for your calendar, or your sales team's calendar within your organization, right? All right, guys. If you guys want to get started with GoHighLevel, there's a link down in the description. It's a 14-day free trial. You can go ahead, get started. No risk, cancel anytime. But I implore you to go check it out. There's so many different features in there that, will help you automate, different tasks within your business. And also obviously figuring out how to leverage AI specifically to start handling tasks, within your business. All right, guys, we will see you in the next one. Let me know in the comments, what you guys want to see next, regarding GoHighLevel, and I will try to get it whipped up for you guys. All right, see you guys.